Ito yung last night natin dito sa camping. Yan, second night natin. Yun, no? Pangulam natin, steak. Alright. Let's do it. Simple lang. Paminta, asin. At butter. Ayan, bawang. Usok. Salamat sa pausok.
Did you forget about me?
No, na. Ah, okay. Uy. Well done. Tigas?
Ano ko ba doon sa matigas?
He'll throw something. Oh
Sit
my
down,
God.
sit down. Sit down.
3, 2, 1. That's good.
Mika. Yours. Ay, sorry. Camping. How's the camping for you guys? Mika?
Good. It's scary. But I don't like to sleep because I'm comfortable.
Okay.
Me too.
Okay.
Next time, I will bring a lot of blankets.
Malamig sa gabi. Malamig sa gabi. Hindi kami nakatulog gano.
I'll just
Dito sa campsite. Maalikabok. Maalikabok. Kamusta da alikabok? Ano masabi niyo sa alikabok?
What's alikabok doon?
Yeah, malikabok. Sobrang maalikabok dito sa campsite ngayong season na to. Ano?
do not give food to the birds because I did, and the whole family came.
And then, isa pang ano dito, walang liguan. So, wala mo nang ligo-ligo.
Pahid-pahid lang.
Punas-punas lang kami. Punas-punas. Merong CR. Pwede kang dumumi, umihi. Madali lang. Ayun nga. Bawal lang maligo. Pero meron kayong baong ano, pangugas. Bidet. You make ligo? Make ligo?
Lego. Shower.
Tomorrow.
No.
This is our first
Time.
camping ever. And this we learn a lot of lessons for our challenges, and we will make sure that will not happen again. But the thing is, we are so happy. Yeah, we made it.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah, we enjoy this kind of
My house.
travel, kind of adventure in our life.
Yeah. I was kind of expecting to have a lot of people here. I don't know why.
For a second.
Like there was like a grass field with a
Oh,
lot of people in there. Like a grass field with like lots of trees. I was like expecting to be like that, but
for a sec.
yeah, no. Were you expecting it to be like that too?
Yeah,
Did anybody expect it to be like that? No. I did. I expected.
Why you expected you will see some bear?
Yeah, I did not see any bears. Or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I thought there was no lions here, but there is, and there's also skunk.
No, that's Masha.
Lucas and Bear.
No, how about no? How about Lucas and the torta panda?
Every time the bear also. Just kidding.
No, Lucas and the torta panda.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Remember
I
that
remember
scene?
that scene. I just keep. I used to watch.
See, you laugh. Remember that scene when Bear opened the door and then Lucas make a lot of mess inside.
Okay, I'm now Masha. Masha the girl. And that is Masha.
Yeah. Before Ate Micah Masha, she really loved to watch that, and when every time Bear opened the door, she loved to watch.
Yeah, Ate Micah loves to watch that.
Yeah.
I used to love watching it.
Oh, Lucas also watched that, Papa.
I wa- Big wood. Big wood. Big wood. Big wood. Big wood.
Tulugan na. Our last night. We are totally prepared. Hi guys. Ito yung wala kami kagabi. Sobrang hindi ako natulog talaga. Isang oras siguro. Maximum oras ko. Pero ito na talaga ang perfect pang camping sa lamig. So yan. Sarado mo. This is so perfect.
Yeah, para kang ano. Papa look like what? Like a caterpillar.
Oh yeah, true. Like a larva.
Yeah.
This is so good.
Like the larva of the
Dynamic.
caterpillar.
Ay, nako. Thank you.